finale nummer. Last final one will be so I hope wish everyone sees good. Okay, good. A little bit left. Thanks to every one of you guys. Enjoy the show. Okay, lieve dames en heren, veel spaß. Saka Circle Show. Woohoo! No? Okay. Wait. Okay, let me add one more. Oh, no, don't do it. One more? Yes or no? No. Oh, thank you. Yes or no? No. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Yes. Don't worry, okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. So. Yes. Go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, lieve dames en heren, that's the last finale number. This will be the last of final one, and I hope wish you enjoy the show. If you enjoy the show, this is the donation box or donation account.
Okay.
So you can donate wherever you can. Dankeschön, thank you.
Ja.
Thank you so much. So, ich wünsche euch alles schönes Wochenende. Wish you have a nice day. Dankeschön, thank you. I'll see you next time. Wenn jemand was Kleines ausprobieren möchte, gerne vorbeikommen. Anyone who want to try, yeah, come on and welcome. Thanks to every one of you. Dankeschön, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Every one of you for your amazing. This is amazing support. Thank you to every one of you, guys. Dankeschön, thank you. The man team. Okay, I will do it one more show. One more last. Okay, I will do it one more last. Okay, let me do it one last one. Dankeschön, thank you. Now, one last. Okay. Okay, so guys, enjoy the show. Focus. Okay, just look. Dankeschön, thank you. Okay. Dankeschön, thank you. Okay, now focus. Come on. Okay, let me do now the next one. So it's the next one. And this. Let me now. This way. catch it. Thank you so much.
El caso lo hablo desde calor. Me da pena taparme el caso. Okay, next one. Next level. Okay, now the next one. Wow. Okay, okay.